Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to bridge to Robinhood chain. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. First, download and set up any Web3 wallet of your choice. Set it up and fund it with some Ethereum, okay? I'll be using OKX for the purpose of this video. Now let's tap our wallet. There's our OKX right here. So next is to our tap explore at the bottom of our screen. Let's type in relay.link. Guys, note that relay.link isn't the only DEX you could use to bridge. We have Uniswap and many others, okay? Relay.link. Let's click go. So once you've typed in relay.link, you'll have an interface like this. So you tap connect, tap OKX wallet since that's the wallet we're using. You tap EVM. So you could see I have $5 worth of Ethereum in my wallet. So you tap this arrow beside ETH base and click on our Ethereum. Then tap select token at the bottom and tap ETH Robinhood right here. So once you've done that, right here where it says sell, input the amount of ordinary ETH you wish to trade for ETH Robinhood. So let's just tap 20%. So next is to tap swap. So let's confirm bridge. Let's input password. Let's confirm again. So guys, transaction details, and that's it guys. We've just bridged our normal ETH to Robinhood chain. So let's tap done and let's disconnect our wallet. So guys, that's basically it on how to bridge from Ethereum to Robinhood chain. Thank you for watching guys. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.